channel, and today I'm going to be pranking my friend. And I just made some YouTube videos with her, and I'm going to prank her. Which I'm going to eat a chip. I'm going to crack a chip in my room, and I'm going to say, ow, like I cracked my neck. And then I'm going to see how she reacts. So, yeah, I'm going to go get her. I'm going to hide you guys right here. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to go get the chip. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm gonna do it. Ow! Ow, come here. Ow. Come here, Caitlin. Ow. I cracked my neck.
You need ice.
Okay. Pranked ya!
I knew you were actually pranking me. I was
How?
trying to see your reaction. Because I saw you like, ow, ow, and you wouldn't, and Raven, if you don't smile when you get hurt.
And that's my reaction, and I just did it all along.
Okay,
and she heard
Raven,
us.
I knew she was gonna prank me. You're gonna be dead, Misty.
She was in the next